Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. I'm so excited to introduce you today to this new Eco Resin Planter by Boowan Nicole. The base is done in mix to mold in basic white. The doors and the dome are in sapphire blue. You will find touches of gold that adds that regal touch. These beautiful planters are filled with something so special, you'll have to come inside to find out more. Step this way and let's start today's journey. Let's go to Greece. This here is the Aegean Santorini houseplant pot by Boowan Nicole. As you can see, the quality on these molds are amazing. This is everything that you get with this mold. I am using the mix to mold with this. I had to mix it a few times just to get the proper amount, but at the end here I will give you the total amount of how much I used. Mix to mold is very easy to use, as you can see here. And the total I used was 1 1/3 cup of the powder and 8 tablespoons of water. And with that, I had very little left over, enough to fill this little mirror mold that I also got from Boowan Nicole. Now, we also have a little drainage thing that they gave here, and this works out perfect, as you will see in the end. Now I'm tapping it here, tap, 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 just to make sure that I get all my little spots filled up inside that mold. And because I had this little space, I said, let me add some of these rocks in there. I thought it would make it a little heavier and fill in that little space of that mix to mold. And I thought maybe the mirror would cover it up too, but it didn't in the end. But that's okay. You'll see. Eventually, I do fill it with something. Okay, so this is a few hours later, and I do hope that this is ready. And I think I made a little mistake when I did this, but we'll see. Right now I want to crack up. I'm cracking up alright. Little terrazzo pieces, as I've showed you in previous videos. And I'm not getting too much from here because I didn't have too much left over. But we have a little bit, and I'll be able to put that in my little white bag that I have for that. These are the extra little pieces. So this is where I made my mistake, over here. And I wanted to pull these off as I went around my mirror. And I needed to put a little more in here, but I have an idea of what I want to do here now. So this is what I did here. And coming off with, and I like that I put the little stones in here, my little crystal rocks. Where are they here? Oh, they're tumbled crystals, as you can see there. That's what I have. So I think I can go over this with some regular resin, and that's what I'm going to do. But I think this was, a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think this was a good idea in the end. I think for my hand mirror. This is my such an easy demold. I love it. Okay, a little crunch there, but we can fix that right up with some heavy gloss gel, not to worry. So I used a heavy gloss gel, and as you can see right here, this is the area where it was cracked, and there's a little crack in there. You can see it there, but I think once this is dried and I do a little sanding in this area, I think it's going to be just as good as new. In all honesty, if you wanted, you could leave it just like this. In the white, it is absolutely stunning. Okay, I'm back, and this is totally dried, and it really looks absolutely beautiful. I want to show you the detail here. See how beautiful this looks. Each little piece. There's not one problem here, except for that little mishap that I had in the beginning, and I did fix that with the gloss gel, with the heavy gloss gel, and that would have been right in this section here. Now, I decided that I was going to paint these little flowers in here, but I remembered I have what's called Flower Soft. Now, I'm going to put this down before I drop it, and I don't know if you can see it, that little hole in there came perfect. Putting this down. Now, I don't know if you know what Flower Soft is. I have used this previous, but Flower Soft is not made out of flowers, but it is as fine, or not so fine. See? And I used this back in my card days, and you would use a little glue, usually a very fine glue, and you would add this to your cards to make it three-dimensional and give it some, you know, to give it a little dimension. Well, I thought about this, and I said I can use this in this piece here. And that's exactly what I want to do in these little areas, because there's these little flowers in here in the pots, and I said that would be just amazing to fill these flowers up in pink, in purple. That's the purple one. And then I'm going to go on and I'm going to paint some of these windows, and I'm going to paint some of the, I'm going to paint the top of this, going to finish this up and make it look beautiful. Okay, just want to show you how pretty this looks. And that's all dried on there. And now I'm going to put on the gold around the edges here, on the cross and on this. Cut a little piece of this off. This is my Heidi Swap gold foil.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the last part of this,
So take me out to California,
just so you can see.
where the sun is
I
always
want you to see how beautiful this came close up.
gold, and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day to
Hope you can let me know in the comments below what you think about this. But I'm going to do the last. I'm going to seal this with the matte sealer. I don't want this glossy. Just want this matte. And this is the mix to mold sealer.
and the fields forever green, and all your hopes and dreams will always be fulfilled. So I'll be coming with
If you like what you saw here today, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and hit all. I would love to have you back again. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Well, not just yet, but pretty soon, with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Mirror, mirror on the wall, isn't this just gorgeous? The most gorgeous of them all. I'd like to take a moment of your time and thank my members, the Traveling Tramps, Lena Park Art, Art by Sparkle, Just Janice, Taslima Maya Art, Simply Nanette, and thank you to Yen Drawers for the blessings she left last week. Oh no, I just wanted to go on Laurel Canyon. Oh, another crazy detour.